Just a girl, just a girl. How are you, honey? Okay, we're gonna get you out of there, okay?
Todd put me on the ground and handcuffed me and cuffed my ankles and put a ball gag in my mouth.
Do you know where your buddy is?
Charlie?
Yes.
He's shot.
Okay.
He says he's buried. He says there's several bodies buried out here.
We now know the names and the faces of all 7 people who may have died at the hands of Todd Kohlhepp.
I just want to say thank you to everyone for all the prayers and all the work you put into looking for me. If it wasn't for everyone out there, I don't think I would be here today.